Welcome everyone, this is your host John, the cryptocurrency social media educator, and today I'm going to be showing you a getting started video of how to find your 12 seed words through the Trust wallet. And for those of you that want to initiate and transfer your 12 seed words to another wallet, this is how you are able to find your 12 seed words through Trust wallet. And so you can actually send it to MetaMask or import it in another wallet. They allow 12 seed words. For example, we're going to log in and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is how you recover your 12 seed words from your Trust wallet after you create it. For those who was able to get your 12 seed words when you registered and open up your Trust wallet and got 12 seed words, you're fine. This is for those who haven't backed up the 12 seed words, who want to get access to them after you open your wallet, especially if you imported your wallet into a program and so you can receive coins and stuff like that. So this is how you get your 12 seed words to Trust wallet so you can transfer it to another one. So let's go right into it. I want y'all to notice icons at the top. The main button going to be at the top here of your MetaMask wallet. And of course, I'm on my phone. And so I'm just showing you an example. It's a settings wheel at the top left. It's a barcode scanner at the top left. And the button we concentrate on is the one in the middle. It says main wallet. Hit the little down arrow. And then click the three dots beside main wallet. And then you can back up your 12. See, you see right here, it says secret phrase backup. So you can click manual. Once you click manual, I'm not gonna do it because it'll show my 12 seed words, and I'm not gonna be compromising my account like that. But basically, this is how you do it. Just hit manual, put your password or code in or whatever you chose to use to open your wallet, and then it should show your 12 seed words. Please write them in order. I would never, if I were you, I would never put your 12 seed words online because it could get compromised through email or etc. So what I do, I get my 12 seed words and I put them offline in a notebook or in a safe somewhere where it can always be protected so no one can get access. So that's just my tips on it. But that's how you find your 12 seed words, get them, and then import them in a MetaMask wallet. Or, you know, it's going to ask with MetaMask, it's going to ask you create an account. And if you already have an account, import 12 seed words. So that's all you would do. Take them 12 seed words from the Trust wallet and then import it in a MetaMask after you download it, whether through the phone or through the computer, which many of you know I got a video out right now that's showing people how to do that. But I just wanted to make this quick video. I hope it helps. And you should be good to go after that. Thank you for watching this video.